Screen record this overlay. So first go to Funimate and click Edit Video to have a new project, and add the clip you want to edit. Click this blue icon or overlay, then add the overlay I want you to screen record earlier. Then adjust the overlay's duration to the duration of the main clip. Find and click Mask option, then use Chroma key to remove the black color. Just drag this circle that called color selector on the black color, then full the intensity adjustment. You can adjust also feather but a little only. Go back then save this project to your gallery. Add again new project, then add the clip you also in our One Street project. Now add overlay, then add the clip we export earlier. Zoom it, then go to Mask and Chroma key the green color. When you're done, click the main clip, then click Transform. Add keyframe, then move the clip like this every keyframe that you add randomly. When you're done, you can save it and add it to your edit.